G'day YouTubes, Ian Laconia, New Hampshire here. Here's my air impact wrench again. There's the air hose. So I'm gonna hook up the air hose to this and show you how it works. This is how you hook up the air hose to this. Get it on. There we go. This is my air impact gun. It's already hooked up to the air hose, so this is how you work it. That's what my air impact wrench sounds like when it's hooked up to the air hose. So I just wanted to give you a little video of my air impact wrench. So I'll turn it on for you one more time too. So we'll disconnect that and there we go. See, that's the little fitting, and that's the air hose where you put the air gun on. So see, like I said, that's the air hose. You can see me. Yeah, that's the air hose, and this is how you connect it. That's how you connect it. That's how you connect it. Actually, it's not connected, actually. So you're going to press this little button right here. Do it. There we go. One more time. Ready, tubes? So, and this is, press that little red button, and that's how you disconnect the impact wrench from the air hose. Just like this. Just like that. See? So, and that's the air hose. You always got to remember, press that little red button and press the tool into the air hose. That way it can hear the click and press the trigger. So we'll wind up this air hose. There we go. Yeah, that's the air hose. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That little video of me running my air impact wrench, and we'll talk to you later, tubes. Ian Laconia, New Hampshire, signing out. Bye.